How to create a simple payroll template from scratch, part 4. And if this is your first time watching this video, make sure na panoorin mo rin yung part 1 to part 3 para guided ka. For today, ang kukuhanin naman natin is yung tardiness and absences. Now, sa tardiness, may iba na magkahiwalay ang late at ang undertime. May iba naman, isa na lang yon. If isa lang ang computation yun ng undertime, mabilis lang naman yon. What you need to do is to less yung total hours sa 8 hours. So for example, for this one, 1 hour yung total na tardy niya. But on this video, we will have a separate line for late and undertime. And then mamaya, kukumpitin din natin yung absences. Let's start with late. And since we already established na lahat sila ay 7 to 4 ang pasok, we know na kapag lagpas ng 7 a.m. ang time in, that's considered as late. Paano natin kukunin yung late? Gagamit tayo ng if formula equals if ang logical test natin is yung time in is greater than time 7. Value pag true is yung time in minus time 7. Pag false, 0 lang. Enter. And then, change natin yung format to duration. There you go. So, copy natin yung formula pababa. To eliminate the error, if error lang tayo. And there you go. For this day, itong employee na to is late for 1 hour. Ito naman, late for 15 minutes. Now, paano naman yung undertime? So, sa undertime, since lahat sila is supposed to log out by 4, kapag less than sa 4 p.m. yung timeout nila, that means it's an undertime. Ano yung magiging formula natin? Equals if logical test natin is yung timeout is less than time 16. Value if true, time 16 minus yung timeout. Kapag false, 0 lang. Enter. Copy yung formula pababa and change yung format to duration. Hanap tayo ng may undertime. Ayun. So, itong employee na to, since nag-logout siya ng 3, meron siyang undertime na 1 hour. Now, paano naman natin kukunin yung absences? Since we already know na Monday to Friday ang pasok nila, anything na Monday to Friday ang date at wala silang total hours or wala silang time in and time out, that means it's an absence. So first thing that we need to do is to identify yung day for this particular date. Ang formula natin dyan is text. Ang value natin is yung date natin. And then ang format is 4 na D. Or 3 na lang para yung mga maikling day name lang. Okay? Now, since we already established na yung araw na to is Wednesday, kapag walang total hours, or kapag 0 yung hours, or on our case, kapag blank yung total hours, it's an absence. Paano yung magiging formula natin? If, or, itong text na to is equals to sun, or Sunday, or, yung text na to is equals to Sat. Now, bakit Saturday and Sunday yung ginamit ko na argument? Well, dalawa lang kasi yan. Kesa naman gumamit ako ng 5 araw dito, mahaba yung magiging formula. Now, para i-negate natin yan, lalagyan natin ng not function. So, meaning, Kapag yung date is not Saturday and Sunday, dapat meron silang total hours. And since kailangan meron silang total hours, gagamit tayo ng end function. So, end na dapat, hindi Saturday and Sunday to. And dapat yung total hours is not equals to blank. Close natin yung end function. Ngayon, kapag na-meet lahat ng requirement na to, ano yung magiging value natin pag true? Time, 8 hours. Kasi nga, 8 hours yung shift nila per day. Pag false, 0 lang. So again, if yung date is not Saturday and Sunday, and yung total hours is blank, meron siyang magiging absence na 8 hours. Pag hindi, 0 lang. Enter. And copy yung formula pababa. And since wala tayong absences dito, just to show you an example, I'll delete this timestamp for 1-3. And there you go. Nagkaroon ng 8 hours dun sa absences. But if you notice, nagkaroon din ng 16 hours dun sa undertime. So supposedly, wala ng undertime to kasi nga absence na siya. So lalagyan natin ng additional argument yung undertime natin. If yung D2 is less than sa time and yung D2 is not empty. Enter. And copy yung formula pababa. And there you go. Na-eliminate na yung undertime for a date na mayroong absence. On our next video, gagawa naman tayo ng payroll summary. Iko-compute na natin kung magkano yung pay nila for the pay period. And since meron na rin tayong oras dito for the deductions, iko-cover na rin natin yun. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and share the video para mas marami pang makaalam. Follow na rin kayo to receive notifications once available na yung next na video.